Wow.
What was that again?
Thank you.
Wow. He's mellow. You see how the lights come on? Oh, thank you.
Okay. You're welcome.
Yeah.
You gonna ride it?
I am after I eat these.
You're gonna eat those first before you get on that cool looking bike. Is that not like what you wanted?
It's turbo. I need to eat. Eat your
Okay.
Go! Ride your bike now. Oh, sure, you got a kickstand.
Yeah, there's a kickstand.
That is a long kickstand.
That was nothing what I expected.
Me neither. I should have had the video going instead of the camera when he was just running out and going around the other side. Okay.
Did you expect him to jump around and scream like a girl?
Yeah. I thought he would. I thought he would be a little more excited about it.
And what's my taco?